This cordless vacuum costs a fraction of what a Dyson would cost, and after using it for a week I started to wonder, could this actually replace your Dyson completely? So I put it to the test. This is the Lubluelu G20. It's lightweight, it has a telescopic wand, the battery is a quick release one, and also the screen tells you how much battery life you've got left. The bin is really easy to empty, and one thing I do like is that it stands up all by itself. Now that might not sound like a huge deal, but when you chuck it under the stairs, just leave it there, it's so convenient. The Dyson, well, that just falls over. Now we've had this vacuum cleaner for just over a week, and my wife, who cannot stand vacuuming, just keeps getting it out and hoovering up. She absolutely loves it, and she's told me that we're keeping it. So I had a little go while she was out, and I wondered what all the fuss was about. Vacuuming round, loving it. But after I'd vacuumed, I did wonder, where is all the fine dust? I'm getting loads of hair and loads of dirt, but not so much of the fine dust like when I use my corded vacuum cleaner. So is this not picking up as good as perhaps a Dyson would? I gave it a little test side by side. So I scattered some sand on the carpet and I put it up against the Dyson. Now this isn't a laboratory test, it's just me trying it out. And it actually did a little bit better than I thought. It picked up as much as the sand as the Dyson did, it just took an extra pass. Fair enough. Then I suddenly thought, I'd been using this for a week, maybe the filter is dusty, so I checked the filter. Was it dusty? No, it wasn't, which is actually quite a good thing. Normally these cheap vacuums that don't have a cyclone like a Dyson, they just chuck all the dust into the filter and they lose suction in no time at all. This one hasn't. So could this replace the Dyson? Well, for me, for convenient cleaning, yes, not a problem at all. It's honestly a fraction of the cost, it's lighter weight, it's easier to empty too, and I've always got a corded vacuum for doing my deep cleans anyway, so this is all about convenience and easiness to use. I don't think you need to go and spend 600 or 700 quid if that's the reason you're buying a cordless vacuum. If you fancy trying one of these yourself, I do have a discount code in the description. They also have the spare tools, spare filters and spare batteries available. It's not a budget brand that are doing a throwaway item. They want you to replace their things. Also, if you're after a budget corded vacuum, this is the one for you. Check out my next video. This is the cheapest corded upright vacuum cleaner in the UK and it's amazing.